Most people who try self-publishing stop at one book. They get overwhelmed, burned out, discouraged, and they never end up building any real momentum. But the authors who succeed, on the other hand, the ones who make real consistent income, these are the ones who scale. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from publishing one book to publishing 10 or more without ever burning yourself out. I'll break down the system that I use, how AI makes this possible, and how to stay consistent while keeping quality high. Let's dive in. Now, part 1, why most people get stuck after one book. Let's start with the truth. Most authors never publish more than one book, and the reasons are usually always the same. They pour everything into their first book and feel completely drained afterwards. They don't have a repeatable system, so starting the second book feels like starting from scratch all over again. Or finally, they just expected instant success. They didn't see results right away, and they gave up before they could build momentum. The reality is, one book rarely changes your life, but 10 books, that's when you start to see consistent sales, multiple income streams, and start to build a real business. Now, part 2, the power of systems. The key to scaling is systems. If you treat every book as a brand new mountain to climb, I guarantee you'll burn out fast. But if you build a repeatable workflow, then you can scale without stress. Here's the system that I use. Number 1, idea generation. Use AI to brainstorm book ideas based on trends, niches, and audience needs. Number 2, outlining. Build a 10-chapter roadmap before writing a single word. Number 3, section by section drafting. Instead of dumping an entire chapter into AI, I prompt it just one section at a time. Number 4, polishing. Using Grammarly and other editing tools to clean up drafts quickly. Number 5, covers and formatting. AI art, Canva, and the KDP cover creator to easily knock out top-notch designs. And finally, number 6, publishing. Upload once and publish in multiple formats. When this becomes your standard process, you can repeat it book after book without reinventing the wheel. Now, part 3, using AI as your co-pilot. This is where AI changes the game. Without it, scaling to 10 books would be exhausting. With it, you can speed up every stage. Need 10 book ideas? You can get them in 30 seconds. Need a polished outline? Done in minutes. Writing a section? Instead of staring at a blank page, you guide AI to generate detailed, structured drafts. The mistake most people make is expecting AI to do everything for them. That's when you get sloppy books that don't sell. The right way is to use AI as your co-pilot. You stay in control, you refine the prompts, and you polish the final draft. That's how you keep quality while publishing faster. Now, part 4, how to scale from 1 to 10. Okay, so how do we actually scale? Let's break it down. Book 1, your learning curve. This is where you figure out your workflow, refine your prompts, and test out the process. Books 2 to 3, you start to feel momentum. The process becomes easier, your outlines are cleaner, and your covers look sharper. Now, book 4 to 6. At this point, you're not just publishing books anymore. You're building an entire catalog. Readers who find one of your books now see several others, and oftentimes decide to buy more than one. Now, book 7 to 10. This is where things compound. You got multiple streams of income coming from multiple different books, cross sales, bundles, and even translations. Suddenly, you've got a small publishing empire built strictly from consistency. The secret here is sustainability. Don't just pump out 10 books in 10 days. Instead, build a pace that works for you. Maybe one book a month, maybe one book every 2 weeks, maybe one book per week. The point is consistency, not burnout. And that brings me into part 5, avoiding burnout. Let's talk about burnout because it's real. Even with AI, if you push too hard, you can get overwhelmed. So here's how to avoid it. Number 1, batch your work. Record multiple outlines in one sitting, draft sections across multiple books, or design multiple covers at once. Number 2, keep it fun. Don't force yourself into niches that you hate. Pick topics that you actually enjoy learning about. And finally, number 3, celebrate small wins. Every finished section, every uploaded draft, every published book is a step in the process towards success. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. 10 books doesn't have to mean 10 weeks. It could be 10 days or 10 months. The key is that you actually finish. So here's the big takeaway. Going from one book to 10 is not about grinding harder. It's about working smarter. With AI as your co-pilot and a repeatable system in place, you can scale up without burning out. One book builds confidence, and 10 10 books, build an entire business. And if you want me to walk you through this entire system, from using AI for ideas and outlines, to drafting, polishing, designing, and publishing across multiple different formats, that's exactly what I cover in my complete course. You'll get my exact prompts, workflows, and strategies so that way you can scale up flawlessly. The link is below if you're ready to start building your own publishing empire. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.